All right, so this is a continuation video 2 of the Power Gear full wall slide encoder issues. If you have the pendant, you can actually move the slides in and out, and each motor is activated. And you can check amp draw on each one. So we were doing the encoder test. The test is invalid because I've actually talked to some other people that designed this, and you're trying to check AC voltage when actually it's not. What I did is I said, all right, let me find out what's up. It had 5 volts going to it, and I did some basic testing with a multimeter. So I said, all right, let me find out. It's a counter. So I said, what kind of counter? And I've been in this field, I don't know, 50 years. And I've worked on M1 Tank Advanced, and so an encoder is exactly that. It codes what the end results are. It says, all right, I'm moving this much. So I said, you know what, let's keep this simple. Take it apart. So I went down to the motor, took an encoder off, and it sits. This is the back half. This is where the O-ring goes. That goes up against the motor. Let's say that's the motor right there, right? So this is this way. You're looking at it this way. All right, right there. There's the cables, 4 of them. So the 2 outer pins, the 2 outer, pins 1 and pin 4, and they're probably marked A, B, C, D on here somewhere if I clean it up. But that was your 5 volts. So it would be orange and a green wire. So the 2 here are signals. Okay. Well, what I found out was, if you look real close, those are light receiving diodes. And on the other side of the ring, if you can see it in there, is an LED. So there's 2 pulses going out each one. And then this little ring, this flat part here, goes onto the shaft of the motor. This goes down in here like that, and it spins and breaks the light and lets it come in. So I guess they wear out or whatever. I can see where the thing was hitting it. And then this has a spacer on it, goes right there to keep it centered. Alright. So actually I was supposed to use a oscilloscope. And it's probably a 5 volt toggle on and off square wave. Okay, so I'll put you on pause and I'll show you what I mean. Alright, so that is a 5 volt. Alright, and then the light gets blocked by the flat part, not the part with the slice in it. The slice allows the light in. So the light comes in, activates, pulls it down. So up and down. Each one of these is a turn of the motor, or one of these little wheels going through. So if you counted this, how many slots there are, put it on pause. So there's 32 slots. So if you divide that into 36, or 360 degrees, which is a turn of a shaft, that's how many pulses it would get. So there's 3 of them. There's 1 on each motor, so they have to synchronize, and it counts them. So there you go. That's a continuation video to help you understand what's going on. It's just basically a 5 volt positive and a ground, and then the signals come out up and down, like that little figure I showed you. Thank you very much. It's Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I will do a live test on this later, but I just wanted to show you what the encoder was made of.